How to put password in Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can put password in Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now putting password on Netflix profile is very simple. All you have to do is first of all simply open up the Netflix application here, and once you launch the Netflix app you will see this type of interface. Now here you can see some of the profiles I have on actually has a password, and after you have done this, what you want to do is if you also want to put a password on one of your profiles, just tap the edit button from the top right hand side here, then just select a profile on which you want to add a password. After that you'll find the option called profile lock. Tap on it, then tap on create profile lock, and all you have to do is first of all confirm your Netflix account's password. After that simply enter the lock that you want to use, and that profile will get successfully locked. This way you will be able to lock Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.